Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going on an adventure to meet one of the most surprising animals on Earth, the bird-eating spider. Don't worry, it won't jump out of your screen. Okay, first things first. The bird-eating spider is huge. In fact, it's the largest spider in the world by weight. Some are as big as a dinner plate. Can you imagine that on your table? Yikes! What about you? Do spiders make you say cool or creepy? Type it in the comments below. These giants live in the tropical rainforests of South America. Think countries like Guyana, Suriname, and Brazil. That's thousands of kilometers from France, so you don't have to worry about one hiding under your bed. Now, with a name like bird-eating spider, you'd think it eats birds all the time, right? But actually, that's super rare. Most of the time, it munches on insects, frogs, lizards, and sometimes even small snakes. And yes, once in a while, maybe a bird. But it's not their favorite food. The spider doesn't chew. It uses venom to turn the inside of its meal into soup. Then slurp, slurp, slurp. Want to hear something cool? When the spider feels threatened, it rubs its legs together and flicks tiny hairs into the air. These hairs can make the enemy's eyes and skin really itchy. Imagine having a superpower that makes your enemies sneeze. Good news. Even though it looks scary, the bird-eating spider isn't dangerous to humans. Its bite feels kind of like a wasp sting. Painful, yes, but not deadly. Spiders like this one are important because they keep insect numbers under control. Every creature has a role in nature's big puzzle, and this one is a rainforest superstar. So what do you think? Would you dare to see a bird-eating spider up close? Or would you run away screaming? Let us know in the comments. Quick quiz. Where does the bird-eating spider live? What does it usually eat? What's its special defense superpower? Thanks for watching, explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time for another wild adventure.